The number one question I get asked, how long until I start making money as a creator? It's not universal, but here is the real answer. My name is Rob Jarrett, and after 15 plus years as an owner, editor, producer, and coach, I have decided to launch this channel to build a brand and a business for myself and share everything I learn with you. So let's get into it. If you're starting from zero today with no audience, no skills, and no niche, the realistic timeline for your first consistent paycheck, and that means $1,000 to $3,000 a month, is 12 to 24 months. Sometimes it happens faster, sometimes it happens never. And here's why most people hear that and they quit. Month 1 through 3, you're terrible. Your videos suck, your thumbnails look like a ransom note, and nobody watches past 8 seconds. This is incredibly normal, very normal. And every single big creator that you admire was absolute garbage at the start. The difference is they didn't delete the evidence and they kept posting anyway. Months 4 through 9, you start getting slightly less terrible. You might hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. You turn on monetization and YouTube pays you $37. Congratulations, you just made less than a minimum wage shift at McDonald's for about 300 hours of work. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the grind. Now, in months 10 through 18, this is called the Valley of Death, where growth feels like it's stopped, the algorithm ghosts you, and you're posting 3 times a week and questioning your entire life. 97% of people quit here. The 3% who don't, they finally figure out what works for their audience. They double down on it. And suddenly, one video pops for 500,000 views, then the channel snowballs. The ones who make it to 6 figures in under a year, well, they either got extremely lucky with one viral hit, or they already had an audience and knew what they were doing on social media, or they're lying. And lying on the internet happens a lot. So if you treat this like a real business, with consistent posting, studying the analytics, improving every video, building an email list, diversifying to sponsorships, and you sell some digital products, then somewhere between year 1 and year 3, the money starts feeling like it's worth it. The harsh truth though, you don't get paid for how hard you work. You get paid for how much value you deliver to ever many people consistently. So stop asking how long until I make money and start asking, how good do I have to get and how long am I willing to stay bad before I get good? Post the next video, then the next one. The clock doesn't start until you decide that you are never quitting. And if this strikes a chord with you and you want to get better and monetize a lot faster, then subscribe, comment, and become a part of the community. And check out this video here for more in-depth content, and I encourage you to get a huge head start on your creator journey by downloading my free Creator Kickstart Kit in the description below. It has helped thousands of people just like you get started today.